To become a product manager with no experience in 2024, follow these steps. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals, 2023-2024. Study product management frameworks such as Agile, Lean, and Design Thinking. Read books and articles on product management such as Inspired by Marty Kagan and Play Bigger by Christopher Lochhead. Take online courses such as those offered by Coursera, edX, and Udemy. Step 2. Gain relevant skills, 2023-2024. Develop skills in data analysis, Excel, and SQL. Learn to use tools like Google Analytics, Asana, and Trello. Familiarize yourself with product development methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban. Step 3. Build a portfolio, 2024. Create a portfolio showcasing your skills and experience. Write case studies on hypothetical products or projects you've worked on. Share your portfolio on platforms like LinkedIn or Behance. Step 4. Network and attend industry events, 2024. Attend product management conferences, meetups, and webinars. Join online communities such as Product Management Subreddit or Product Management Forum. Connect with experienced product managers and ask for advice or mentorship. Step 5. Prepare for interviews. 2024. Research common product management interview questions and practice your responses. Prepare to answer behavioral questions using the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Practice your communication skills and be prepared to present your portfolio and ideas. Step 6. Apply for entry-level product manager roles, 2024. Look for entry-level product manager positions or product management internships. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills and experience. Prepare for interviews by researching the company and practicing your responses. Remember that becoming a product manager with no experience requires dedication, hard work, and persistence. Focus on building your skills, network, and portfolio to increase your chances of success.